In this video, we are going to learn how to use PrettyTable, a Python library for generating simple ASCII table. First, I'm going to install by typing sudo pip3 install ptable. Now we have successfully installed ptable. I'm going to create a script file and call it ptable.py. With PrettyTable, we can create a table by adding row and columns. First, I'm going to import from a module from PrettyTable, import PrettyTable, and then I'm going to create by calling PrettyTable, the object of PrettyTable, and first I'm going to add headers. That will be our field's name. So it's gonna be p dot field names. The property field names is set to, I'm going to name it first name, and then will be last name, and then last thing will be our email. This will be the header of our table, and then I'm going to add a row, the value for these columns. So I'm just going to add p dot add underscore row, and then pass in column values. This will be a sim, and the last name will be Kamal, and then some email, which email at some.com. And now I'm going to add another row by calling add row again and passing in the values for the second row. I'm just creating a fake email addresses as I pass on, and then add another row. And just another mail. Now we have 3 rows. I'm just well, I will keep only these 3 rows, and now I'm going to print the table by passing into print function our PrettyTable, and just going to save it, and then I'm going to run our script to see the results. To execute my script, I type Python 3 and then the name of our script, that is my ptable.py, and just hit enter. Then you can see over here ASCII table printed for us. This is very easy and it looks very nice. So this way you can create a ASCII based table in Python easily. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, a sim code. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.